Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy 𝗵𝗸𝗀𝗶𝗶𝗁, aka 𝗗𝗄𝗀, and we have talked about Restream in the past, 2016, 2017, and now it is 2021. I feel like we should revise this video and talk about it and, get you set up with Restream. So what is Restream? It allows you to restream towards other platforms. So from your OBS, which we're going to be working with, or your XSplit or whatever streaming program you are using, even such as Streamlabs OBS, you stream to Restream, the platform, and they take care of everything else. So they will stream your content towards to Twitch, to Facebook, to YouTube, and other platforms all at the same time. There's a lot of platforms. So let's get started and use my link because, one, this video is going to be affiliated / sponsored with Restream, and if you guys use my link, you guys will get a $10 credit after the complete of their first stream. So there's that, and I'll show you the benefits of why you want to do that in the first place, so you can fully utilize Restream and its other features. And I also make a little bit of commission out of it too, so it's a win-win for everyone. No pun intended. Anyways, let's go ahead and log in, and I'll go ahead and bring this on over. And as you can see that I've already linked to my Twitch, already linked to my DLive, my Trovo, my Nono Live, even my YouTube, and I can also add other channels as well. My personal Facebook. However, if I have a group or a public page, right, and I'm a Facebook streamer, this is where you're going to actually have to pay for that premium. So they even said within the after you do your first stream, you'll get a $10 credit. So hopefully, once you get that, you can click on upgrade. Let me go ahead and click on that because I do have personal information on here, and I just want to make sure that it doesn't show all of my personal information or anything like that. Okay, so it does not. Now, if we look here, you can choose to be either monthly or yearly. And if you choose to get this plan, which you're going to have to, so you have $10 of credit, right? So you need to fork over $9 more, or look for a promo code. It allows you to stream up to another platform. So if you have 2 Twitch accounts, right, you can use that, if I'm not mistaken. And you can also have a custom RTMP server. You can record up to 6 hours and store it 15 days, streaming to Facebook public / groups, and $10 on screen participant in studio, and many other features. Let's click on, can I click on that? No, it will not let me click on that. All right, let me go ahead and go back to that page. So let's just say, for an example, let's click on a service. Just Twitch, for example. Okay, it says I need to upgrade, but if I were to delete this, I don't feel like it. It'll say, log into your Twitch and whatnot, and it's just that simple to add. One of the many other benefits is where you have all these platforms linked, and you know how you would have to change your title one by one. This will allow you to change your titles all at once. So you can change it to whatever you want. You can give it a description. Specifically with YouTube and Facebook, you're able to take the advantage of the description. Twitch and DLive, Trovo, and other platforms don't really carry that description, but definitely YouTube and Facebook does. And if you toggle the gaming settings, you can type in whatever game. They even give you a pre-list of popular games that you can choose from. All right, so as for setting this up for software wise, let's go back towards our dashboard, and you can use the web browser to do your own little studio. And all you gotta do is just type in, or all you gotta do is just use this web browser along with your built-in webcam, and you can do it from there. And they also have a little chat program too, and I'll show you guys the chat program here in a second. Let's get this set up on OBS. So you're gonna click on RTMP settings, and you can leave this as is. You're gonna copy and paste it. or you can manually choose the closest server to you or second closest server if that primary server is down for whatever reason. So there's multiple servers that you can connect to. And here's also your stream key. I'm not going to click on it or else it will reveal the key. One thing that I like about OBS is you have the option after you register an account, you can go towards your settings, and then you can go towards your stream settings, and from the stream settings to service, then you can click on Restream, and you can connect account. If you don't want to connect account, then it's going to ask for that stream key. Then you're going to have to select the nearest server for you and put in the stream key right here. If this for whatever reason does not have Restream, then just click on custom. Then this is where you put in that RTMP URL in there, and along with the stream key. So that is basically it of how you set up the software. Now, as for the chatting software, so everything's all merged. So you want to pay attention to who's commenting on YouTube chat and Twitch chat and so on and so forth. Let me go ahead and bring that up here. Okay, so if you click on the three dots and you click on chat, I don't want to bring that up, but yeah, if you click on the chat, then this will bring it up here. You can download it via executable, or you can open it up in the browser, and I want to do it in the browser. So over here, it'll show the connected channels that you are now streaming to, and it shows how many people are viewing. So if I had my YouTube and my DLive and people are watching on there, you'll see how many people are watching. You can also go onto the bottom right settings down here, and you can change the appearance. You can have it compact. You can show viewer counters. You can show the avatars. Basically, when you upload an avatar in Twitch, it'll show their avatars, or you can have the colorized author image. You can also have bots, and this will allow you to, here, let me move this to the side. Okay. I just want to make sure it's not the filters, because when I put filters on, there's a couple of slurs that I filtered out, and I just don't want that to be recorded here on the YouTubes, but it's to filter out whenever someone's saying, a naughty word. That's where it's at right here. All right, so let's say that you want chat to be merged. So if I were to send a message on Twitch, that will be relayed over to YouTube and vice versa, along with, whatever platforms you were streaming on with. So this is a really cool feature to have. So make sure you go to bot and relay mode, make sure that is enabled. Be sure to make the Restream account a moderator. So type in /mod, then the Restream account username. So you can also check out your analytics. You can also merge your Discord, and again with filters. If someone says a no word, you can have that filtered out from chat. So it's a really powerful and simple tool to use. I would strongly recommend Restream because you will have more exposure, not on just one platform, but on multiple platforms, right? So let's just say you get 0 viewership on Twitch, but for some reason you get a whole lot of viewership on YouTube or whatever platform you're using, and you can bring in that audience and build this community that you have, and and just put it on, like have them go on Discord. They can still watch from their on their favorite platform, or you can tell them to head over onto your preferred platform, which is Twitch or whatever, right? So I would strongly recommend using Restream. I hope that this video was helpful. Leave a like, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Y'all take care. We'll be doing more tutorials about streaming here in the near future, so just expect a little bit more streaming tutorials. All right, bye.
Thank you for sticking around. Please feel free to watch my other videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow my social media. If you're feeling generous, check out my Patreon or send in a donation of any amount with PayPal. It really helps out with post-production, equipment, food in my belly, and also continue making free content for you guys. Links in the description. Y'all take care, and thank you once again.